Okay, welcome back to my class. Into the previous classes, we have already discussed that budgetary deficits are of three types. And let us see, there are three types of the budgetary deficit. And first one is the revenue deficit, second one is the fiscal deficit, and third one is the primary deficit. At first, we have already seen the revenue deficit is the difference between total revenue expenditure and total revenue receipt. Whereas we have seen fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts, excluding borrowings. It means fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings. And let us see, there is the third concept, and that is primary deficit. Question arises that how can we calculate, or how the government of our country is calculating the primary deficit. Primary deficit, when we'll deduct the interest payments from the fiscal deficit, we get the amount, and that is known as primary deficit. Let us see primary deficit. I've already defined primary deficit refers to difference between fiscal deficit of the current year and the interest payments on the previous borrowings. It means here, let us see, fiscal primary deficit. This primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Interest payments. It means this fiscal deficit is inclusive of the interest payments. When we deduct the value of interest payments on the loan which are taken by the government on in the previous years or in the past times, let us see that here we have already defined primary deficit refers to difference between fiscal deficit of the current year and interest payment on the previous year. It means primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. It means, let us see what happened. This primary deficit tells us that how much expenditure of the government goes for the development. It means, you take the example, if suppose here the fiscal deficit is 1,000 crores. Suppose the fiscal deficit of the government during a particular year is 1,000 crore, and interest payment is also 1,000 crores. It means, let us see, 1 crore is the fiscal deficit and 1 crore is the interest payments. It means here the primary deficit will be how much? This primary deficit is equal to 0. 0 primary deficit means no money is left with the government for the developmental purposes. It means what happened? All the borrowings which are made either internally or from foreign countries, all money goes for the payment of the previous loans or payment of the interest on the previous loans. So what happens? Let us see. Government is trying to make the differences between the fiscal deficit and interest payment. If you take the example, if suppose this interest payment is suppose only 100 crores. How much crores? 100 crores. So here let us see, fiscal deficit is 1,000 crore and interest payment is 100 crores. So how much is the primary deficit? This is primary deficit is equal to 900 crores. This 900 crores money will go for the developmental purposes. This 900 crores money will go for the creation of the physical assets, such as construction of roads, such as construction of building, such as the construction of factories, construction of dams, flyover, or means airports, helipad, etc. It means, let us see, fiscal primary deficit. If the primary deficit is more, then certainly let us see more money will be available for the development. If the primary deficit is less, then certainly less money is left with the government for the creation of the asset. So that is why, let us see, government is trying to reduce this interest payment and increase the primary deficit. So primary deficit can be expanded, can be increased by reducing the interest payment or by making the payment of the previous loans which are taken by the government. So previous loans is to be settled by the government, so that, let us see, the current borrowing should be used for the developmental purposes. So I think this concept is clear to all of you. This is the primary deficit. So let us see, in the previous classes I told you, we have already discussed this revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is the difference between total revenue expenditure and total revenue received, whereas second one is the fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is the difference between the total expenditure minus total receipt excluding borrowing. It means fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings, and here primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. When we will deduct the interest payments which are made for the previous loans from the fiscal deficit, we get the amount, and that amount is primary deficit. So this primary deficit shows that how much of the money, how much of the government expenditure goes for the developmental purposes. I think the concept is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.